Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see some facts about dogs. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Dogs are domestic mammal. Number 2. A dog's nose print is unique, much like a person's fingerprint. Number 3. A dog's sense of smell is legendary, and their nose has as many as 300 million receptors. Number 4. Dogs' noses can sense heat and thermal radiations. Even blind or deaf dogs can still hunt. Number 5. Dogs are not colorblind. They can see blue and yellow colors. Number 6. The baby dogs are called puppies, and all puppies are born with deaf. Number 7. Dogs have about 1,700 taste buds. Number 8. 360 recognized dogs breeds in the world. Who are all love dogs? If you love dogs, hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel. Thank you. Thanks to watch kiddies. Do subscribe for more drawings and with some informations.